Can lawn clippings damage my AC? Yes, they can clog the outdoor unit, block airflow, and make your air conditioner work harder or even overheat. When grass gets thrown from a mower toward your outdoor air conditioner, those tiny pieces can stick to the metal fins and build up fast. The outdoor unit needs lots of open space so air can move through it, and lawn clippings can act like a blanket that traps heat inside. That means your system may run longer, cool less, and use more power. A small amount of grass might not seem like a big deal, but over time it can pack tightly around the coil and reduce how well the unit breathes. One thing many people do not realize is that damp clippings are worse because they cling harder and are harder to remove. If the coil gets dirty enough, the system can ice up or put extra stress on important parts. The best habit is to keep the area around the unit trimmed, blow clippings away after mowing, and gently rinse the outside of the unit when needed. A common mistake is mowing too close and blasting clippings straight into the unit. A simple fix is to aim the mower discharge away from the air conditioner and keep a few feet of clear space around it. Another issue is thinking the clippings only matter if they are thick, but even a light layer can slowly cause trouble. Another thing to watch for is trying to scrape debris off with tools that bend the fins, because that can make airflow even worse. A soft brush or careful rinsing is safer. People also forget to check the unit after mowing, and that is when small buildup turns into a bigger problem. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.